Vega Bond V200 Closed Cell Insulation Kit. A two-component, high-density, fast-cure foam that yields 200 board feet. Apply petroleum jelly on the spray gun's face before attaching the nozzle. Securely connect the hose to the tanks. Tighten the hose. Shake the canisters for at least 60 seconds. Turn on the valves. Start spraying evenly by squeezing the trigger. The application temperature should be at least 70°F or above to get the best yield. Do not use open flames or blowtorch to warm the tanks. Seals out unwanted air leaks. Protects against dust, air infiltration, and sound. Insulates exposed walls like basement, roof, crawl space, foundation, concrete, subgrade, rim joists, and many more. Vega Bond V200 Insulation Kit, the ultimate solution for insulating your home and keeping it energy efficient all year round.